I'm sure there's going to be some people listening to the podcast thinking about, I would have an opportunity to pitch to Pivotal Ventures. I know building something that is helping and improving the lives of so many women.
Yeah.
Any advice or tips on how they can, if they don't have any connections, they don't
Mhm.
have, let's say that the checklist of all the good schools, great resume, but they have a really great idea and a company that's working, making some revenue. How should they go about securing that first meeting?
Yeah, it's a great question and something I respect a lot of the funds we've invested in, and I think to change venture and a lot of the patterns that we've talked about in our conversation, Melanie, you need to take a different approach and be more open to inbound from all sources. We currently don't have a way to contact us on our website, our investment team, but we're out and about in the world. We don't necessarily need a warm intro, and if you find your way to us at a conference, at an event, LinkedIn from our investment team, if the company or the strategy from a fund perspective is on thesis, I think we're very open. I've taken things where I've gotten a cold message on LinkedIn and I read, oh, okay, this sounds it's on thesis. Let's talk. And so I think it's just an openness and a willingness to, as investors, to not rely on, oh, Melanie knows this person and I know Melanie, so I'll take the meeting. And we're trying to do more to lower some of those perceived and real, not just perceived, real barriers to access.
And then once someone is able to secure a
Mhm.
meeting with a Pivotal Ventures,
Yeah.
what can they do to really stand out? What are you really looking for in the qualities, Little Otter, Summer Health, and Tia?
Yeah.
What were the qualities that they had that secured?
Yeah. Yeah. I think in all of those three examples, companies that we've invested in, you had just a hungry, scrappy founder and leadership team that again had that lived experience and perspective about what problem they were trying to solve. A willingness to know, okay, I don't know everything. I don't have everything right. But I think in all of those instances, and really all the founders that are in our portfolio, I think you kind of bring something to the table that gives them that perspective, that edge, as they've identified this market gap and positioning themselves to build around it.